How to change the download location of Google Chrome in Android device. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in this guide video I will show you how you can change the download location for your Google Chrome on your Android phone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, by default, whenever you actually download anything from Chrome, let's say PDF file, movies, photos, videos, or so on, it is going to be saved to a particular location. And let's say you simply want to change that on your Android phone. Well, there is hopefully some of the things which you can do. The very first thing I will do is simply go ahead and launch the Google Chrome app on my device. Once I launch the Google Chrome app, you can see that this is how it is actually going to look like. So what I will have to do is on the very top right hand corner of the screen, you'll basically be able to see those three little dots. All you have to do is simply tap on the three dots, and as you tap on the three dots, you'll be able to see a bunch of various options. You simply have to go ahead and select the one which says settings. As soon as you select settings, over here again we will scroll down to the very bottom of the screen and look for the option which says downloads. So go ahead and simply select downloads. As you select downloads, at the very top you can see that this is our current download location, which will be saved to the download file. You can simply tap on it and you can see it says downloads currently this much DB available. Now if you want to change it, you can do them from here, or if you don't find that option relatively, then you can also do from the other way, and that is that you can simply turn on this toggle which says ask where to save files. And this way, whenever you try to download anything from Google Chrome, it is going to ask you with the pop-up of where you want to save the files, and basically then you could go ahead and choose when or where you want to save your file. Or you could also turn on the toggle next to ask when to save file. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to also set a certain time on when you want to save a particular folder to which kind of folder, and with them when you want to save it as well. And this is how you can change the download location of your Google Chrome on any Android device. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, please also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.